OnPassive early bird affiliates love and are grateful to our technical and hospitality staff in India. OnPassive has been able, with the direction of Mr. Ash Mufareh, to hire the most qualified and experienced artificial intelligence and machine learning engineers on the planet, with the addition of world-class professors and Albert Einstein Minded being boarded recently. Mind you, these out-of-this world-class artificial intelligence purveyors, OnPassive is on the threshold of putting space between any and all technology companies. Highly successful professionals who have built their own businesses are joining OnPassive because they see the potential of what Mr. Ash Mufareh is building. A hearty welcome to OnPassive, our new brothers and sisters. These amazing professionals have no equal. They are the best that any high-tech company could employ. The hub of the technology world has a new home. It is no longer Silicon Valley in the USA. It is a high-tech city called Hyderabad in the country of India. All the giants in the high-tech industry have moved their major operations to Hyderabad. OnPassive's technology operation is in a high-tech city. Recently, OnPassive has been included as a thriving startup in the most prestigious T-Hub. This organization realized the value and potential of having OnPassive as a member of its registrar. Congratulations, Mr. Ash Mufareh and your technology, marketing, and media professionals. That location speaks to the genius of OnPassive's creator, Mr. Ash Mufareh. He has an innate ability to be able to discern where to go and what to do. His hiring of the staff points to his genius. OnPassive's technical staff and hospitality staff are composed of some of the most gifted minds in their industries. These women and men come from some of the largest high-tech companies in existence. Why did they leave those companies and come to OnPassive? They were drawn by OnPassive's business model of love for people instead of profits. The key ingredient that makes OnPassive is love. Love draws people together, not repels people. The word is getting out about OnPassive. What a blessing for the people. OnPassive is not on the cutting edge of this new technology. OnPassive is the cutting edge of this new technology that will absolutely power artificial intelligence solutions and digital products to unreachable heights for OnPassive and everyone else. The engineers and designers of OnPassive's products are committed to building its products from the ground up. That is the mind of Mr. Mufareh. Do not be misled. OnPassive's state-of-the-art art digital products may look like products used by other companies online and offline, but that is where the similarity stops. The technical staff has been able to refine and improve AI and ML to levels never imagined, let alone invented. Those technologic masterminds have accomplished the impossible, AI and ML codes that cannot be duplicated. That technology is a proprietary properties of OnPassive. That makes us early bird affiliates feel comfort in knowing that OnPassive is protected, and so are we. Thank all of you from the bottom of our collective hearts. We are all winners, and so will the people we love.